I received a package from EGOZARU. Let's find out what's inside. A basketball shirt. You can see me wearing EGOZARU shirt whenever I play basketball. One of the best shirts to use for playing. Oh, this one is a compression shirt. I love it. Be the Beast shirt. Rah-rah. Hoo-hoo-ha-ha. Oh yes, basketball shorts. Super nice quality. Can't go wrong this brand EGOZARU. Wow, basketball socks. Can't wait to rock them. Looks really damn good. Oh, there's two more socks in a black colorway. Oh, that looks great. Super nice. And the last one in here is the EGOZARU Ego Awake 1.5, an updated version of the Ego Awake 1. Updated the materials to a more breathable and comfortable upper materials. Stay tuned for my performance review of the EGOZARU Ego Awake 1.5. You can check them out on egozaru.jp and check if your country is available for international shipping.